Today is a very beautiful day. A day that you've walked with us from the first day until this moment that these beautiful students and parents are here with us. When I came and told you that you needed a piece of the forest, you told me no one should cut any single tree. We knocked every single door, the Reverend is here, until the day you granted us the special user license for us to have the school. Were it not for the president, that school would have not been there. But just like we also said, we'll maintain the forest, make sure that we take care of it, plant more trees, as we also keep on with the 15 billion trees by 2032. Hapo ndio tutakuwa tumefika hapo na tutakata miti nyingine. Your Excellency, most parents thought that this was a lie. And their parents had already sent their children to the other schools. When they saw us admitting children, they started coming back, streaming in. Last night, the principal had to stay up and the team past 10 in the night just to make sure that their girls are admitted there. We even had leaders who did not also believe this. And by yesterday, that's when they were also confirming and bringing students from their constituencies. So I want to tell you that this journey is a journey of just trusting the Lord and trusting what the president says as we deliver on what every single promise that the president kept when we did the tour of Nairobi County. We will also thank you. Apart from this Booth Girls Secondary School, there are a lot that the president promised that is already being done around Nairobi. So for all the naysayers out there, watch this space. We are here to deliver this whole journey with William Samoei Ruto. Wazazi huko nyuma mnanisikia? Wapi mikono ya wazazi hapo nyuma? Kuna wazazi ukiangalia wajalala. Walikuwa wanalala wakiamka wakijiuliza watafika State House saka. Tulikubaliana tutakutana Uhuru Park ndio tukuje pamoja. Nikaanza kupigiwa simu na watu wa Uhuru Park wakiniambia saa 10 asubuhi wazazi wako hapa. Kwa sababu most of them never believed that one day you can open your doors for them to be here. And they are happy, and these parents pray for you, their children pray for you, and watatembea na wewe mpaka dakika ya mwisho. Ama ni aje? Wanafunzi hai. How many of you want to go back to the schools that they were? Wamekataa wote, hakuna mtu anataka kutoka huko kwa sababu you know you've touched the homes of very needy, deserving parents. Wow. We walked with you. We walked with you in Nairobi, and you saw the life some of our parents live and the places we live. Some of these girls have never been in such facilities, but it's because of you that today we are here to say thank you. I also want to take this opportunity to let our members of parliament who are here to also join me on stage and just say a word or two before we let the president finish. Karibuni sana.